Once, there was a boy named Sam who visited his wise grandfather during the summer. One day, Sam asked his grandfather how to become successful. Instead of answering directly, Grandpa took Sam to a nursery and bought 2 plants. He planted one inside the house and the other outside in the garden. Sam thought the plant inside would grow better because it was safe from the elements, while the one outside faced storms, rain, and sunlight. Years later, when Sam returned, he saw that the plant inside had remained small, while the one outside had grown into a strong, large tree. Grandpa explained that the plant outside grew stronger because it faced challenges, while the protected plant remained weak. He taught Sam that in life, success comes not from avoiding difficulties, but from embracing them. Challenges make us stronger, just like the tree that grew through hardship. Sam realized that struggles in life are not obstacles, but stepping stones to success.